create a new sketch on the XZ work plane. Select the circle from the circle drop down menu, and from the centre origin draw a new circle of 50mm in diameter. Finish this sketch. Selecting the XZ plane again, we'll create a new plane parallel to this one so that we can loft the feature. Select Offset from Plane from the Plane drop down menu and make a plane parallel to this one 80mm away. On this new work plane, create a new sketch. Select a 2-point centre rectangle from the Rectangle drop down menu, and on the horizontal axis, create a new square which is 20mm by 20mm. Select the Dimension tool and measure from the centre of this square to the centre origin, the one that's common with the circle, and make the distance 40mm. Finish this sketch. Select the Loft command, select the circle, and then the square to loft these two components together. With this loft selected, we're going to mirror it on the centre axis to have one on the other side. Select the mirror command, and then select the YZ plane as the mirroring point. Create a new sketch on the first work plane 1, that we made earlier. Use the Project Geometry tool to grab the top face squares of the 3D model. Finish this sketch and select Extrude and extrude these squares 10mm. On the bottom face, the XZ plane, create a new sketch. Again, use the Project Geometry tool to grab that bottom face to make it as lines. Select the Extrude command and extrude this down 10mm. Select the Shell command. With the wall thickness at 1mm, select to remove the bottom face and the top face of either of the squares. Select OK. We should now do the small rib component that appears at the bottom of this 3D model. On the XY plane, create a new sketch. Press F7 or the function 7 key on your keyboard to create a temporary sectional view. Take the circle tool and on the outside edge, draw a circle which is diameter 2mm. From the bottom edge of the 3D model to the centre of the circle, make the distance 5mm. Finish this sketch. Select the Revolve command and revolve this circle around the Y axis and select OK. Take the work plane that we created earlier, right click and turn off visibility. You're now ready to create your engineering or technical drawing, a 3D print and a render. Well done.